Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch Citibank to Access Bank. First, let me show you or let me tell you that switching from Citibank to Access Bank is already done automatically. You don't have to do it by your own. You may have not noticed because you're still using the same portal or the same app, which is the Citibank app, but it's already done. As an example, if we go here to frequently asked questions on Citibank Access Bank transition, and of course, like if you see here, like I have to submit any applications or will I have to submit any application or documentation for migration to Access Bank? No, as you can see, you don't need to sign or submit any forms or documentation for the migration to Access Bank. On the migration day, your existing Citi branded cards and Citibank accounts will be transitioned to Access Bank or card and Access Bank accounts. This will be done automatically, so you don't have to do anything. And of course, the transfer started from this date, from the Citi, of course, a bank to the Access Bank, and now it's still transitioning. Of course, during the transition, you can enjoy all the benefits and privileges on the Access Bank. Your bank account number and debit card, like credit card number, checkbooks, all the other stuff and codes will remain the same. And of course, you can continue using your Citi mobile app, portal, online, and even reach out to City Phone as example without even trying to reach out to Access Bank. So you can use the same, but it's transitioned automatically. As you can see, relationship managers and City Bank branches will be now branded as Access Bank for all of your needs. So that's the key difference. Just the branches from it's going to be changed from City Bank to Access Bank. So important information is to our products and services. If you have any of like questions related to any of those, example, bank accounts and Citi like bank debit card. So if you have one of those questions, I'll just open as example those answers here. You can pause the video and read the answer by your own. It's basically like, so can I continue to avail offers using my Citibank credit card? Yes, you can, etc. So you can just pause the video and read all the answers that you want depending on the question that you have, or if you want you can just go as an example and access this article. Basically, it's frequently asked questions or facts on Citibank Access Bank transition. You can just type that in Google and you'll find the exact article. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.